Yo, what's happening? All right, today we're on Tuesday, September 22nd. We're going to kind of continue on with the presentation that we were doing yesterday. I've added in a little bit more of the slides there. So make sure before class you have your groups pulled up and you even have the presentation pulled up. That'll just help save you some time to being able to make sure that you can find that. Um, and then as far as homework goes for tonight, make sure you're watching the video, the very first thing that's listed here, because that video is going to help you on how to find the, how to find your stuff on Canvas. Okay, and then you have homework again out of the textbook that you're going to be working on, and you have another video on Edpuzzle that you're going to work on. Okay, so the rounding decimals practice is on Canvas, and it's right underneath target number 1. The video does a great job of taking you right to that step by step. Feel free to pause the video and make sure you get to all the steps to getting to Canvas at the right time. Okay. If you need to get in contact with me, again, here are my Google Meets, and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.